Now, the big leaf hydrangea has been here for a couple years now. It's well established, it's doing really good, but we still want to mulch around those roots and around the base of this hydrangea because we want to keep protecting those plant roots. Hey guys, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, happy Monday to you, and it is day 168
of the Spoken Garden Daily. Guys, we're out here in our garden filming every day to help you become a better gardener.
And we're so happy you're here watching with us today. Thank you for being here. And go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on all the other daily videos we post.
So guys, it's Mulching Monday, and today we wanted to talk to you about the importance of mulching in the fall.
Yeah, you guys, some of you may not have mulched yet this year, so this is the perfect time to do it. So don't worry if you're late on mulching.
Yep, fall's around the corner and you want to think about getting some mulch down around your plants, and we're going to show you a couple things to think about when you're doing that. Okay guys, so right here you can see this is one of our newer plants that we planted earlier this spring. It's a berry white hydrangea. So guys, you can see right here, it went from pure white, now it's looking like a berry color, kind of a lighter type of red almost, and it just looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Oh, we love this plant from Bailey Nurseries. This is so beautiful.
So this is the time of year when you want to start thinking about mulching because fall's right around the corner. So we want to help protect this plant during this coming fall and into the winter, because when you're going through and you're doing your fall tasks is more of a preparation to protect your plants during the winter. And one of the ways you can do that is using mulch. So the way mulch works is it insulates, right? It creates a barrier over your soil to help protect plant roots. If you don't have that and the cold temperatures and moisture come through and you get that freezing, it can actually hurt the plant roots and damage them, and you don't want that, because the last thing you want to do is stress out and hurt the new plant that you put in your garden, like this one that we have right here. We've got an older hydrangea here, and this is a big leaf hydrangea versus the paniculated hydrangea. Now, the big leaf hydrangea has been here for a couple years now. It's well established, it's doing really good, but we still want to mulch around those roots and around the base of this hydrangea because we want to keep protecting those plant roots. Over the winter, what's going to happen is these hydrangeas, they're going to lose their leaves, they're going to die back, they're going to go dormant. And even though they look dormant above ground and they don't look like they're doing much above ground, the roots underneath are still growing underneath all the mulch in the soil. They're expanding and they're breathing and they're taking in water. So to do that, they need to be protected. Otherwise, they can get damaged by the cold, wet winters that we especially have here around in the Northwest. So guys, what you want to do when you're looking to mulch around your plants this fall is you want to get a good thickness. You want to have a good insulation thickness on the ground around and over the plant roots. So to do that, you want to have 3 to 4 inches. That's what we recommend. That's what we do with our arborist mulch. And so when you do that, all you got to do is just dig down. You can see we've got some mulch here, and we're going to dig down, and you can see this is pretty thick. Now there's our soil level. You can see from here to here, that's pretty darn good. That's a pretty good thickness. That's probably about 3 inches, I'd say. What do you think, honey?
Oh yeah, that looks like about 3.5 inches.
Yeah, so we're looking really good in this area to insulate these plants' roots. Can you imagine plant roots underneath this amount of mulch? They're not getting that hard, cold air that they would have been exposed to if this mulch hadn't been here, and that air would have penetrated down and frozen the ground. Now what's going to happen when you have this amount of mulch over the top of your plant roots? This is going to actually freeze a little bit, but the soil underneath is not going to freeze as much or at all, depending on how harsh of a winter you have. So this is a really good thing. This is how you insulate and protect your plant roots over this winter, is mulch this fall.
So you guys, this fall, mulching is super important. It's one of the most important fall tasks you can do or plan for.
And we've actually developed a fall garden task course just for you out there that are new gardeners, so you can really understand what you need to do and when you need to do it during this fall.
Yeah, we know this will be helpful because these are questions we get from a lot of people in our email list and our subscribers. So we developed this course. It's going to include mulching, pruning, bulb planting, and dividing and transplanting, all the things that you think of about fall season, or all the things that maybe you didn't realize you needed to do this fall, especially if you're new to gardening this year.
So watch for it being released and coming out at the end of this September of this month.
And we'll be live this week on Wednesday, you guys, for our first live. So we'd love to invite you to join us so you can chat with us live. We're going to be planting a fall container, and you are going to help us pick out the plants to put in it.
Yep.
So come join us this Wednesday at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time.
Yep. Can't wait to see you all there. So guys, comment down below and leave us your questions. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates from our latest videos.
That's a wrap for today, everybody. We'll be back tomorrow with another new garden project, so come join us and see what we're up to.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.